Welcome back to the shop, folks. I want to address something that I've been hearing a lot lately, not sure where it's coming from. Been told that people are saying that I can't work on Stihl products. Only one person in Perry can work on Stihl products, and that's a Stihl dealer. That is absolutely not true. I am certified in Stihl products. I've been through Stihl's classes. That's beside the point. The only thing that you can't do is you can't advertise yourself as Stihl's authorized, because you have to be a current dealer to have authorized. So as far as working on Stihl stuff, I do work on Stihl stuff, Stihl saws, Stihl, anything Stihl I can help you with. I work on Husqvarna and Echo. So I'm not sure where that's coming from, but that's wrong. I sold Stihls here in town and ran the local Stihl dealership for Marshall for 20 years and serviced and repaired them. I've done them at my house after that. I continue to do them here now, and I will continue to work on Stihl products. So I just want you to know that I'm gonna tell you one more time just so you know. I do work on Stihl products. I'm gonna continue to work on Stihl products. If somebody tells you I don't, you just nod your head at them, walk on off, and come on down here and see me, and I'm gonna hook you up. Make no mistake, Kojak loves you, baby. That's kind of the old Telly Savalas. That's kind of how I feel about my people. I'll fix you up, and I'm grateful for every business that you bring me. I'm grateful for the money that you spend here with me and the time that you bring your stuff in to let me fix. So I just want to be sure that you understood that A, I appreciate your business, and B, I will work on your Stihl product. Thank y'all.